extra with double up.
All right. $14 bet. Got the double up and the extra, and the bird. Here we go. Come on, something good. Good. Nice. Nice. Love that bird. Good. All right, we need something in the top game or the top one's over. Nice. Very nice.
What do you got here?
What happened? What happened to all your dollars, Trish?
I got $2.80. You clearly are the winner.
$2.80.
You're clearly the winner. Without Trish.
All right, we got. All right, we need something to land on each one or the game is over. Come on, something land. Good. Come on, something on the bottom. All right, bottom game is over.
You got the bird.
But it added $22.50 and $7.50.
You got the lap.
All right, we're up on top.
And what else did you get? You got the yellow ultra hat.
Hey, Pat, will you hit the button for me? Sure. Thanks. Hit it, Trish. You need to land something right here. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh, a flappy came out.
Wow. I guess we can play together.
Me and Trish were having a contest. We each put 200 in.
I lost.
Trish lost. And I won $727.50. Here's what Trish had left. All right, that was not a bad bonus at all.
No.
$733.
I wasn't doing
All right.
1440 though.
Yeah,
In all fairness to
1440.
me, I was doing 480.
Not 50?
Huh?
Not $48?
Oh my god.
All right, we'll be back. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.
Toodles.